Hi, my name is Burkette Moulder.
Hey, I'm McCormack.
Hi, I'm Clement.
I'm interested in a career in medicine, I think, and I never tell my mom that because she's a doctor, but I think it's really, I really like medicine because first of all you get to help people, and second of all it presents a real challenge.
I'm really interested in politics and public policy. The reason I enjoy it so much is it's just like the middle of everything. Everything kind of revolves around politics and it influences everyone's lives. So I think it'd just be such like an impactful and exciting career opportunity. Like every day would be a little different. So I don't personally want to be a politician, but kind of being involved in like public policy analysis or like a think tank, I'd really like to use politics as an avenue to better people's lives.
One thing that motivates me is the independence and responsibility that I was taught by my parents at a young age. I've always kind of been self-driven, and so I just kind of do things for myself, and I know that it's on me to succeed.
I'd say what drives me is probably just learning. I love to learn. I really always loved to learn. I used to read little books on astronomy and rocks and minerals when I was a kid that my dad got me. I just think that's probably my strongest motivator, is just my love of learning.
So probably some of my best decisions at JA were not dropping those harder, challenging classes I took, or I kind of thought for a little bit, should I just go ahead and drop this? But even though I wasn't the best at it, I tried really hard, and I'm happy to say I made it through the classes. And then another decision kind of outside the classroom was joining show choir in 7th grade. That's a really big part of my identity here at JA, so I'm really happy I decided to get involved.
The best decisions I made while at JA was taking Dr. Conklin's history class last year, because it really, not only was it interesting, but it really taught me how to write a good paper.
Probably the most influential teacher of my whole life was all the way back in 7th grade, my math teacher, Miss Keenan. Before Miss Keenan, honestly, I hated math. I was not doing well in it at all. It was really stressful for me always, and Miss Keenan she turned my life around completely.
So I'd definitely say my most influential teacher would be Miss Shore. She was my show choir teacher from 7th to 11th grade. And so that's 5 years together, not only inside the classroom, but outside rehearsals and competitions and trips. And she really was just the definition of going above and beyond. She truly did care about all of us as individuals and got to know us, which really, she took so much time. There's like 60 or 70 of us to get to know every single person. That just meant so much to me.
The teachers at JA have influenced my life because they're all very caring, and they all take time to invest in their students and really help us, and not just with the classes, but with everything in life.
The teachers at JA have really influenced my life because they really care about you. It's not like you're a stat sheet or anything. They care about your grades and they care about how you're doing and everything, but that's not what makes them care about you. It's like a separate thing. They care about you as an individual.
The teachers at JA, they care so much about you as a person. One of my favorite things about how like JA's size is that you see the same teachers over and over again. So I've had like Miss Ball and Mr. Dixon for 2 years. I've had Miss McKinney, my Latin teacher, for 4 years. And when you get to know someone for that long, not only is it just like an interest in like, oh, I want to make sure you make the grade, they have personal interest in you as well.